Hey, 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 hey. There is mud again. But there is a trail to the left. Now this was a crash. Hello everyone again. Today is my second try with rally style navigation. You know, the roadbook thing. I made my own roadbook again, and this one will start right from here, from this village. And I use the Tulip roadbook creator on Windows computer, which is really small, relatively easy to use, and it's free. While I made the track and the rally book itself inside this app, I use Google Maps and Osmand to detect all the junctions carefully. I wanted to collect as much data as possible about each point: terrain elevation, local objects, foliage, road connections, whatever. Finally, the roadbook was done, as you see, all along the way, and I had to see if I made it right. So I'm turning on my super old phone. Let's see how it works. Turning off the ABS is the most important thing. Oh. Didn't left anything there. The start was almost flawless. I had to calibrate my phone a little bit, and after several hundred meters the roadbook seems a bit off. There were not many junctions around, so I kept my eyes on the specific one, which wasn't far from the starting village, fortunately. Yes, this is it. This is the junction, which is supposed to be at 2.93, and I'm 3.1. So I go to minus, and now it fits. And there's another thing happening. I take off my goggles. They are just too cold right now. I think I put them right here. So what I'm doing right now, I'm trying on the motocross goggles on the Nishua helmet. This is the first time I will ride like this, and we will see how it works. This was one of the main reasons I bought this helmet, because I tried the goggles on, and maybe it looks a little bit funky, but it definitely fits better, much better than on my ADX one. So the navigation set, so far so good. So let's go. Look at these deep tracks next to me. This place, when it's raining, it's a mud bath. After a nice off-road section, I find myself in an area with a lot of changes. So I lost the track again. Okay. I was shifting more and more to habited areas, and eventually even on a tarmac road. Usually I don't like tarmac roads, but suddenly there was this random encounter in a chilly cold day. I just simply had to come down. Oh my god, this guy was reading a book and wearing nothing but a short. Oh my god, what kind of people. So, just check this one. Oh, look what I can do. Oh, this is magic. I just have a goggles on everything and then just can close the windshield. How magic is that? My map shows this was a road once, but now I can see definitely some tracks, but I wouldn't call this a road. So I think I just ride slowly. Nobody knows what's under the grass. Yeah, this is the right turn. Oh, yeah, I think this is Ooh. See, that's what I'm talking about, what hiding under. At 16, it says I must take a turn here. Here is this advertising thing up there. It seems pretty rough, but hey, why to judge? So I must now take a ramp over the highway. And yes, there it is. Let's hope it's not crashing down. Hey people, where are you going? And where am I going? I'm supposed to go to the left, but there is no road. Or is? There are some tracks. Let's follow this. Yeah, I think I arrived where I wanted. So I reached my main goal, and it was a win after all. Most of the time I follow my Rally Roadbook, and it took me to this beautiful vista. There is still so much to learn and so much to ride. So we have a really nice view, but let's continue now the riding with the navigation. Rally style. It's a really nice rocky path. I think I must just go on the top of this bump here, whatever. never been up here. Remember the video when I was fighting in the mud, when it just suddenly started raining from nothing? Now I wanted to come up here, but I never was here up, so I was fighting somewhere down there in the mud. It was not funny.
Even if I reached the top of my journey today, the hardest part of the track was still ahead of me. Take a single track to go down the hill.
I'm concentrating now. I'm okay yet. If somebody leads to a dead end where I cannot go across, I must go back. Yeah. Hey, which one now? Let's choose this one. Ooh, mommy. Where am I now? Oh my god. Do I really supposed to be here? With this bike? Yeah. You know what is an adrenaline flush? This is it. Oh my god. What a ride done. Not sure if I want more excitement today, so I think I'm happy now. There's a single track to the left, but wherever that leads, I will not go there. I just follow this road under the next junction, and if I lose trail here, I will just finish the ride today because, oh my god, this was something already. Ooh, bushes everywhere. Okay, so this seems like a dead end to me. So turn around. Just let's go back.
And what is the moral of this story? If you can, ride with a friend. If you ride alone, you cannot push your limits to the end because you always have to be 200% sure about everything. Use rally style navigation if you love the thrill of abstract track solving puzzle, but if you don't care about this kind of challenge, just use the GPS all the time. It is safer and simpler.
And I'm finished for today. Even if I'm chickening out, this was enough excitement for today.
And thank you for watching, and if you liked it, like and subscribe.
Take care.